Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. World's top shoe brands are now pointing out India as a potential market to make the latest trends accessible across the country. The best shoe brands in the world are stocking a piece for all. Picking a pair that suits your personality well is the right way to master your look. These latest shoe brands or models is best to you. Number 1. Hush Puppies. Hush Puppies is one of the most famous shoe brands of America that is marketed internationally as well. This stellar footwear brand imparts softness and breathability in every pair of shoes. Number 2. Roche. Roche is a homegrown Indian brand based out in Bangalore. The brand's products are crafted with intricate details and creativity. Roche is a brand for passionate men who never compromise on comfort and quality. Number 3. San Francisco. San Francisco, the brand combines ancient and modern design techniques to manufacture, innovate, and evolving range of shoes. Number 4. Puma. Puma is considered the third largest shoe brand for men in the world. Derby, sneakers, loafers, or floaters. No matter what your choice is, Puma has stocked them all. Number 5. Woodland. India's favorite shoe brands list is incomplete without Woodland. Founded in Canada, the brand entered the Indian market with its first hand-stitched leather shoes and spirit to promote outdoor activities. These are the latest and top shoe brands and models. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.